Hello, hello, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing our makeup like it is 2008. So first, while I get ready, I want to give a little disclaimer right now. So I do not want to hate on Gen Z because I'm going to sound real salty for a lot of this. But y'all, your makeup is too good. You should have had to go through like the blue eyeshadow and the mismatched foundation like the rest of us. That's out of the way. So, it's 2008. I'm in high school. It's 6 a.m. Theoretically, I've stolen my mom's headband. She had one of those little, like, towel material headbands that was supposed to be for her to put on moisturizer and stuff, but I would just steal it and get foundation all over it. So, first step, I'm gonna leave the eyebrows because they're thin enough to be from 2008. So we're gonna do a foundation, which I did not go out and buy a ton of drugstore foundation. I just didn't. So we're just gonna use what I have in the bathroom. So we have this Born This Way foundation. I'm thinking this might still match. I don't normally wear makeup anymore. And we're going to, I'm so sorry, we're gonna apply this with our fingers because us in the Midwest, we're not using, oh God, oh God, we were not using brushes yet. Unless you were using those little like the little doe foot things that like came with makeup palettes. You might have been using those. Oh my God. Oh no. Yeah, we're gonna leave that line maybe. So once we've smeared on foundation, oh my God, it's so cakey, with our fingers. Oh. So this is what we're working with. Oh, and if you're really, if you're one of the popular kids, you might do one of these, because he would put foundation on our lips. So either you could, from here, you could overline it and be like, oh, giant lips, or you could do crazy eyeshadow. Ugh. And be like, oh, it makes your eyes pop. This is nasty. No, I'm not. I can't do it. Oh God, where's it? So generally, this was not my thing, because I knew if I did concealer lips, not that I didn't want to, but that by like third period or right before lunch, you just have this cakey mess all over your face. So next, let's see. Ooh, I would do concealer then, because I have been born with these bags. So again, these would normally come in tubes. So you have a little doe foot applicator where normally I would put this on like a beauty blender now or a brush and then put it in. It's not how we're going. So we're gonna, because this was how I learned to do it. I'll cover up any pimples. I got a little here. And then, thank you, Mom, I learned to pat it out with my ring finger, to not damage my under eye. My one good thing I learned from this. Notice I haven't done my eyeshadow yet. So of course you do that second, right? But really, y'all, anyone who was born after people had nice internet and not dial-up, all of a sudden there's all these tutorials and YouTube videos, and it's awesome. Like, it's amazing. I'm so happy for you guys, but also it's hard. Let's see, next I probably would have gone into eyeshadows. Now, I will say I did have an eyeshadow brush, but I had like one. It was like one random ass brush, and it was more like what a kid would paint with than it was like an actual brush. So we're gonna use just my like cheap Walmart brush. Now, I was one of those little, like, I wasn't quite emo, but I definitely wore too much eyeliner, but I didn't really have a good concept of color. And what was really common in the early thousands, would you just pick, oh, something shiny. Go put that all over the lid. Oh God. I really wish this was not true. Now, I had learned by this time that you can put a darker amount in your crease to give, because smoky eye, like the early Naked palettes were like the thing. No cut creases, just smoky all day, every day. So let's see if I have a, here's like a darker thing. So most of my makeup in this time period would have been dollar store, like, I don't know, was it Elf makeup? It was probably like Wet n Wild from Walmart. That's just about it. Like Sephora, I did not have a Sephora or an Ulta, anything in my little podunk town. So you either had the people who had like super high end, or you had me. Yeah, this is probably more blending than I would have done. And then I probably would have brought this out. A lot of my friends who were more on the emo side of things would have been going more neon. I hope you realize I'm showering after this. I'm not going outside. So, that's it. Congratulations, your eyeshadow is done. I hope no one's following along with this. So then, I like to go for a bold lip in the middle of the day. So I knew with my little lips, black was not, it wasn't gonna happen. But I had some, I think it was like CoverGirl 24-hour last. Like the double-sided where it was liquid and then like a moisturizing thing on top of it. I would try to do that. So, again, oh, no, notice, no lip liner, none. No brush, no other applicator. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, that's what would happen. It gets everywhere but where I want to go. And yeah, this is really hard without liner. Trying to get a clean line is just not gonna happen. So, as you can see, I already look like a cheap hooker. So this, you'd think, all right, good early thousands makeup. Ooh, we're not done. I need the eyeliner, which I'm realizing I forgot. in the kitchen. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is literally the one thing I bought for this because I had to. I went and I got an e.l.f. eyeliner in black because all I have now is like liquids or creams. But back in the day, I thought those were scary, so I would have used like the crayon eyeliner. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do like a single bar. Yep, that's what I remember. Now, I did have like a softer one than this that was like this creamy, I remember it was in a green tube. I think it was Maybelline, and you would put it on and by the end of the day it would just kind of bleed out to these raccoon eyes, which, you know, I'm gonna do anyway, but oh, these are so hard. I hate them. And I thought I was edgy, so we're gonna bring this down. Yep. The more I do this, the more it's starting to be like Cirque du Soleil than Cheap Hooker, but I'm gonna go along the waterline, and I still know people who do eyeliner like this. And the crazy eyeliners that went like this, they also came with like a smudging sponge at the end. I'm trying to avoid the instinct to try to make this look good. Oh God, okay. Okay, so I did not do the under eye as often. I mean, I spent most of my high school days looking like an angry panda. I'm not gonna lie on that. But that was not every day. And the red lipstick was not every day. Stupid shimmery eyeshadow? Yeah, that was probably. Oh yeah, notice it's not on my waterline at all. I would complain that, oh, it doesn't look good because my eyelashes are too blonde. Like, there's no way for me to get this eyeliner there, or like, no. No, it was me. And now, since my eyelashes were straight, we're gonna do like 12 layers of mascara until they're nice and spidery. That's the other thing everyone seemed to be doing. Well, not everybody, but oh, okay. Well, and now we're not gonna do any blush. We're not gonna do any bronzer because I was like, oh, my face is already too red. I don't need color. Because your options were this or like bronzed. That was it. You know, I'm kind of feeling nostalgic about this now. I mean, I wouldn't go outside. Should do like a beauty YouTuber, like reveal like video, just like But really, we've come a long way as far as makeup. Like just the bare minimum of not putting on with my fingers, which I'm immediately washing because that's disgusting. Blending. And just the access. Like the internet has made it this amazing place where you can learn anything you want. But I also get nervous because it means everybody looks the same. Like there's like an Instagram beauty guru look. And I do feel like people have missed this chance to mess around with makeup. To just experiment. To have eyeliner out to here. To have crazy bold eye, smoky, and then like a crazy red lip. And just do it. I don't know. What I do really, really want to know is I would like to know in the comments what your cringiest or favorite cringiest trend you did as a kid. Because I'm sure we all had them as teens. Hell, I got some now. But I think I want to do more of these, of just doing bad makeup. I think it's good to see other things. But I'd also like to hear in the comments, one, your cringiest trend thing you liked or did, and then also if you would like to see more videos like this, because I'm kind of flailing around doing whatever I want. I decided to do this about an hour ago, and here I am. So that is all I've got for you guys this time. I'm doing this in one shot, so the struggle is real, but I will see y'all in the next video. I cannot believe I'm putting this on the internet.